Okay, 20 minutes have passed. How could you not want more of this? Yes. Spirit. It's one of those, baby. Alright, I just want to let you know I love this fragrance. Back to the review. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Brandon. This is the InScentive Collection, and today we have something special. Before we get into anything, make sure you hit the like, subscribe, stay connected. Plenty more content to come. But today, I've heard a lot of great things about this. A lot of mixed things about this. I do have the original. I'm a fan of that. It's a little youthful for me, but you know, this is the Elixir, grown and sexy. So we're gonna go ahead and get straight into this, and you know how we. Look at the damage. Now I know they open from the bottom, which is unfortunate because I started at the top. So let's see if we can get a little bit of. There it is. There it is. You know what? Let's just not even waste time. Unsheathe this thing. Yes. You know what's a bummer? The graphic is on here somewhere, mangled. Yeah, that sucks. Why didn't they put the graphic on here? Dang. There it is. Oh, look at that. Yes, yes, yes. Ha-ha. Here we have it. Okay. You know, these are pretty good to handle. Look at that dunk. All right, so we're gonna go ahead like a grenade and get going. So, straight into it. Look at that. Ooh, wow, great atomizer. Vanilla, sweet, honey, aromatic, amber, lavender, tobacco, green, fresh spice, and powdery. And right off the bat, I can definitely smell the Lamal DNA. Man, this smells good, man. Woo, this is good stuff. All right. Super simple. And in the top, you got lavender. Love lavender, one of my favorite mints. You got notes. You got mint. Now, the only other mint fragrance I have is Ege from Nishane, and that is #1. But this is up there. Vanilla, benzoin in the middle, and in the base you got honey, tonka bean, and tobacco. And I can tell you right now, we are getting this into the spirit. Yes. Ooh. Yes, 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 yes. This is definitely better than the original. It's a great fragrance. I love this. Absolutely tremendous. I'm not really one for the youthful, like just like attention grabbing type of fragrances, like the club scents. I don't really care for those. This walks the line of that, but also something a little bit more sophisticated. I can see this being great for the winter. Great atomizer. Smells nice. I don't see how you could go wrong with this, man. I really like this. Look at that. Yeah, I really like this. I did have the 4.2 ounces. Great atomizer. Somehow they dramatically improved on the first one in almost all the ways that you could. I could definitely see this being a staple, something that you always keep in your collection, whether it be for the winter or the spring. I can see how this would be a bit much in the summer, but it's sweet enough to still be that attention-grabbing fragrance, right? I'm very curious to see how this will perform in the heat. Like, will it push? What's the duration like? Because it's definitely taking up this entire space. So, man, something's going on. It's definitely taking up this entire space. But I'm a big fan of this, man. It's so different from the original, but at the same time, it has that same DNA, right? And that's one of the things I love about designer fragrances that I don't think people talk enough about. Yeah, like when you talk about certain niche fragrances, certain houses, you get like these dramatic, like crazy spin-offs and stuff like that. And that's cool. But I do like how, like, when you have a Chanel fragrance or a Prada fragrance or even, a Jean Paul like this, a Jean Gaultier like this, you have the aspect of home base. Like, you know exactly what it is about the fragrance that you're going to like. It's just the angle that it takes. And even if it does take an angle that you don't like, it'll temper itself down, and then you can, enjoy it for what it typically is. But overall, man, I really like this. I'm definitely going to have this on the channel to review. It was a prize for Guess the Note, Let It Float. Oh, cool. See, even they have a way to stabilize the fragrance when it's inside, which I really like. Yeah, and that's another thing, man. This case is pretty, now that you think about it, man, this case is not something that, it's not going to really get damaged in here. Between the base that's sitting in and then it's tucked away. You don't hear that? It's not moving around. Oh, magnet caught it. It's not really moving around in there. I really like that, man. Some of these fragrances come in boxes and, like, they get damaged in transport. So, but anyway, yeah, that's my my first impression on the Elixir. I really like this. I know there's an Elixir Absolute. I'm curious to try that. If you guys have tried that, let me know. Do you prefer the Absolute? Do you prefer the Elixir? What do you guys think? I'm very curious. I will definitely be trying this today. I'm going to the beach. So there's going to be plenty of opportunities for this to get picked up with the wind and swirled around and everything like that. So I'll come back with a report for that. But that's the review, or the blind buy. Let me know what you guys think. One thing I know for sure, YouTube is making some outstanding recommendations right now, just floating around on your screen. Click on them, chase the funnel. Let me know if there's anything you guys want to see. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.